Body odor is a universal human experience that's both fascinating and sometimes unpleasant. But have you ever wondered about the intricate biological processes behind that unmistakable smell? Today we're diving deep into the science of body odor, exploring its causes, the chemistry involved, and even its evolutionary purpose. At its core, body odor is the result of bacteria breaking down protein-rich molecules in our sweat. But not all sweat is created equal. Our bodies have two main types of sweat glands: eccrine glands found all over the body, producing a watery, odorless sweat primarily responsible for cooling us down, and the apocrine glands, located mainly in our armpits and groin areas. These glands produce a thicker, protein-rich sweat. It's this sweat that bacteria love to feast on, creating the compounds responsible for body odor. When bacteria on our skin metabolize the proteins and lipids in apocrine sweat, they produce a variety of volatile organic compounds. These VOCs are what we perceive as body odor. Some of the main compounds include methanethiol, a sulfur-containing compound that smells like rotting cabbage; propionic acid, responsible for a vinegary odor; and isovaleric acid, associated with a cheesy smell. Interestingly, the exact composition of these VOCs can vary from person to person, which is why body odor can be somewhat unique to each individual. Your genes play a significant role in determining your body odor. A specific gene, ABCC11, is particularly important. A single nucleotide difference in this gene can determine whether you produce wet or dry earwax, and surprisingly, it's also linked to body odor production. People with two copies of the non-functional ABCC11 gene, a recessive trait, produce less of the chemicals that bacteria transform into body odor. This trait is most common in East Asian populations, where up to 20% of people produce little to no body odor. What you eat can significantly influence your body odor. Certain foods can contribute to stronger smells. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and cabbage contain sulfur compounds. Red meat can lead to more intense body odor. Spices like cumin and fenugreek can alter body scent. On the flip side, some foods might help reduce body odor. Chlorophyll-rich foods like spinach and kale, citrus fruits high in vitamin C, and probiotic foods that promote beneficial bacteria. But why do we produce body odor in the first place? From an evolutionary standpoint, body odor may have served several purposes, one of which is communication. Body odor can convey information about a person's health, diet, and even emotional state. Also, it serves the purpose of mate selection. Some studies suggest that humans can detect genetic compatibility through body odor, potentially influencing mate choice. Another reason for body odor is to serve as a warning signal. Strong body odor could have alerted our ancestors to potential health issues or the presence of harmful bacteria. However, today, we have a variety of methods to manage body odor. Antiperspirants. These contain aluminium-based compounds that temporarily block sweat glands. Deodorants that make the skin less hospitable to odor-causing bacteria. Antibacterial soaps that reduce the overall bacterial population on the skin. Some cutting-edge approaches are also being researched, the likes of probiotic deodorants aimed at promoting beneficial bacteria that outcompete odor-causing species. Genetic therapies. Future treatments might target the genes responsible for producing odor precursors. From the microscopic dance of bacteria on our skin to the complex interplay of genetics and evolution, body odor is a testament to the intricacy of human biology. While we often view it as an inconvenience, it's a reminder of our connection to the natural world and our evolutionary history. The next time you catch a whiff of body odor, remember, you're sensing the result of millions of years of biological fine-tuning, a complex chemical symphony played out on the surface of our skin.